In China, there's a saying, though small, a sparrow has all its vital organs. Basically, it means even small things can be packed with goodness. Today, let's check out an all-round small car, the Zeekr X. Despite being less than 4.5 meters long, much tinier than its larger siblings, the Zeekr 001 and Zeekr 009, both over 5 meters long, this little car stands out. Don't let its size fool you. It's packed with features that can easily meet most people's driving needs. In China, before, if you wanted a stylish electric car around 200k Chinese yuan mark, the smart #1 would be the obvious choice. But I'm actually starting to have second thoughts while taking the Zeekr X for a spin. I'll admit, the first time I saw this car, I was drawn to its looks, especially those daytime running lights. From a distance, its front end has this fierce, not to be messed with vibe. The side windows are flat, reducing aerodynamic drag and adding a touch of sophistication to the overall visual appeal. This one is the 4-seater version. Although there's a 5-seater option, I'd recommend checking out the 4-seater for its exclusive features. Firstly, there's a 14.6-inch touchscreen in the center that you can move left and right, making it more convenient for the passenger. The center armrest can slide back and forth with a total travel of 205mm, making it easy to store items for both front and rear passengers. The rear seat cushions can fold up with one touch, creating a larger platform for bigger luggage or giving your pet more room to move around. And the front seats are zero-gravity seats that can recline with one touch. Need a heated ventilated massage while on the road? This car offers an in-car spa experience. There's an optional in-car refrigerator in the central console with a maximum volume of 5.7 liters, perfect for 5-6 bottles of Coke. It supports temperature adjustments from -15 degrees to 50 degrees, catering to both hot tea and iced coffee lovers. In China, fast little cars are often dubbed small cannons, like the Volkswagen Golf GTI or the AMG A45S. The Zeekr X is even faster, accelerating from 0 to 100 in just 3.7 seconds. Truly an electric small cannon. With a front motor max power of 115 kilowatts, rear motor max power of 200 kilowatts, and a 66 kilowatt-hour tunnel-releasing battery pack. Its pure electric range is 500 kilometers or 560 kilometers with just one motor, ample for long-distance city hopping. After going through the features, I'm thinking in China with 200k Chinese yuan budget, I'd seriously consider this car because compared to the similarly priced smart #1, this car offers more playfulness and richer features. You might argue that there are plenty of cars to choose from in this price range, so why go for such a small electric SUV? Well, if cars were houses, some people prefer spacious bungalows, while others opt for high-end apartments. Every car has its audience. So what's your take on the Zeekr X? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. I'll see you next time. Ciao!